Hey everyone, welcome back to T-Max. Today, we're diving into Leonardo AI, an innovative tool that's reshaping the art world. Whether you're an artist, designer, marketer, or entrepreneur, this game-changing tech has something special for you. We'll uncover its unique features, explore advanced techniques, and tackle your top questions. Check out the description for a quick link to get started with Leonardo AI. Let's jump in and explore its potential. First things first, head over to Leonardo AI using the link in the description below. To start with Leonardo AI, log in with Apple, Google, Microsoft, or email. After signing up, you'll land on the Leonardo AI dashboard. Check out these cool tools: real-time canvas, real-time generation, motion, image creation, and canvas editor. Scroll down to see all the amazing community creations. Want to recreate an image like this one? Just click on it, and it'll open in a new tab. In the new tab, you'll find the full prompt used for this image, the creation time, the Leonardo AI model, and all the elements involved. Want to save it? Just click the download button, name it, and save it to your PC. Ready to create a similar image using this as a guide? Click Generate with this model to automatically import all the settings and elements, setting you up for a perfect result. Prefer to start fresh. Go to the dashboard, select AI Tools, and click Image Creation to bring up the same tab. For more accurate results, I'm going with the first method to import those elements. Trust me, it makes a difference. Over here in the top left corner, you'll see your Leonardo AI coins. Each image generation costs coins, which reset daily. Your daily coin allowance depends on your plan. On the free plan, you get 150 coins each day. Spend them wisely or go for a paid plan to boost your coin count. Decide how many images you want to generate. More images mean more coins spent. I'm setting this to 4. Next up are the photoreal and alchemy models for enhanced results. You'll also see the Public Images option. Enable this to show your images in the Community Generations tab. To hide your images from the public, you'll need a paid plan. Then, set your image dimensions, simple and straightforward. Explore the advanced options to tweak the aspect ratio and other settings of your picture. Here's where the magic happens: the prompt bar. This is where you'll describe in detail what you want the AI to create. I'll paste my prompt here shortly. First, upload your reference image so the AI has a clear point of reference. Click on Image Guidance to get started. Click Upload Image to select and upload your reference picture. I'll upload the image I downloaded earlier, and voila, successfully uploaded. You have 2 options here. I'll select Image to Image for the type of generation. Next, let's focus on the crucial parameter, strength. Strength controls how closely the new image matches the reference. Higher strength means closer resemblance. Lower strength gives the AI more freedom to be creative, making it less similar. We'll generate images with both high and low strength to showcase how this setting impacts the final result. Let's start with our first generation. To transform this ethereal humanoid plant character holding a glowing orb, with her delicate features now showcasing strength and determination. Based on the previous description, my prompt is: she holds an intricately designed glowing orb that pulses with energy, its surface covered in ancient runes. The light from the orb casts a mystical glow on her face, enhancing her ethereal beauty. Be specific with your prompts so the AI knows exactly what you want to create. For this generation, I'll set the strength to 0.66, which is quite high given the changes I want. Click Generate. And to check your generations, head over to Generation History. If you want me to make a video about crafting prompts for precise results, hit that like button and drop a comment below. Here are the generated images. As you can see, they didn't quite hit the mark. Why? The strength was too high for the changes I wanted, which didn't allow the AI to adjust the background and theme as I hoped. Let me show you what happens when we lower the strength. We'll adjust it to 0.26 and click Generate again. The results still don't match our prompt, so we'll keep the strength parameter at 0.26. Let's try generating once more by clicking Generate again. To review your generations, head over to Generation History. Now, these pictures are fantastic, exactly what we were aiming for. We can now choose the images that best align with our intended outcome. Remember, with image generators, you might not get your desired result on the first try. It often takes tweaking settings and prompts to get it just right. And there you have it, Leonardo AI's amazing features and its potential to elevate your creativity. If you're as excited as I am to give it a try, be sure to check out the description below for a quick and easy link to get started. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech breakthroughs here on TMax. Can't wait to see you in the next one!